Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well today. This is Repairman for Life. Bought this 1978 Winnebago probably a year or so ago. Just hadn't decided what to do with it yet. I was planning on making it into maybe like a work truck, maybe cutting some of that backside off and putting a bed on it or something. Let's jump inside here and take a look. The roof has been leaking for years. It's in bad shape. I want to do a whole lot of work to this thing. You can see right there, I put some plastic down trying to keep some of that rust. The dash and all doesn't look bad. I mean, the only thing I noticed missing on the motor was the air conditioning compressor. Somebody took that off. It's an original 440 Dodge 1978 motor in it. It's all complete. It still has green antifreeze in it. They said it ran when they parked it maybe 10 years ago or so. So we'll see about that. We'll have to try to get this thing running. Here's what's left of the bathroom. That's behind the driver's seat. I tore the walls out. I mean, you can see this thing has a bunch of damage all through the roof. Pretty much went through here and gutted this thing out a little while back. We got like an inverter or something there, control panel or something. It was a sink here with a water tank. We got some kind of storage spot over there. It was a table and a bed back here. This over in here, underneath there is a 4,000 watt, I believe it is, 09 generator. Don't know much about them, but that'll be a project. We'll see if we get that thing running. That'll be a video. But yeah, I think it's gonna be a cool little project. Got a whole lot of projects coming up on the channel this year in 2021. So if you don't mind, guys, hit that like and subscribe button so we can get to that 1,000 subscribers, so we can help promote this channel a little bit more. Kind of grow this channel. Love being out here trying to teach somebody something. I've learned a lot over the years, and hey, if I can teach y'all something, that's very rewarding. Yeah, I hadn't figured out what to do with these walls yet. Like I said, this may all just get tore completely off. Plywood isn't in bad shape, but may end up just pulling that up. Maybe doing a treated bed on it or something. The gas tanks on shore are full of rust. Like I said, it's been sitting. We had a refrigerator and stuff like that sitting over in here. One of those LP refrigerators. Electric LPs or what. Tore all that mess out. All that was rotten. The rats had got in there and tried to make a home with it. But yeah, that's about all the cabinet stuff that we got left on it. I mean, you see how bad this top is done got. So tore the beds out. But yeah, like I said, this is gonna be an upcoming project here over the coming months. We'll get something done on it. And like I said, like and subscribe, guys. Help promote us so we can help get out there and teach. Might be somebody that needs to learn something that we're able to help them. Well, guys, I hope everybody's having a great Christmas. I hope 2021 is good for everybody. Y'all be safe, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.